Hey everyone, so I've got my night splint sock. Now this sock is actually used for typically for plantar fasciitis. I didn't even know there was a need for this until my wife needed one, and this definitely is helping her out. Now this material is it's pretty soft, and it does have Velcro, several Velcro straps, and it can be used for either foot. So we've got one strap over here on the side, and I'll demonstrate this in just a moment. Also one at the end, which is where your toe is going to be, and then we've got this end right here. It's going to go around our leg. Pretty simple to use. Let me go ahead and flip it on and just kind of show you how it works. So what you're going to do is just slip your foot in here, put the strap around the back side, Velcro it in. We have another strap. It comes around the back side also of your heel. I have that nice and snug. And then the last step is this longer strap. Just pull that to where you need it to. Now there is a toe plate right here. It extends from right around here at the bottom all the way up to the top. And so that way it's pulling all the toes all at the same time, at the same tension. And then there you go. And then what I would do is I would end up going to sleep, or anytime I'm just sitting down and resting, this is pulling this back and stretching this all out. Simple to use. Hope you found this helpful.